Yo, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna do this quick training. Someone asked about the open wide um, approach to doing the Facebook ads. So here is where you find out if you are eligible for the open wide strategy. So if you're in audiences in Facebook and you go create audience, create a lookalike, and then you select your source, right? This one right here. Okay, so here we go. So this right here in the last, 60 days, 60 days, I thought it was 30. If it's above 500 to 1,000, that means there's enough information on your pixel to allow Facebook to go find customers, find clients, etc. But it has to be over 500. If it's over 500 to 1,000, go for it. Get your best pixel, your best post IDs, put them at the ad level and see what happens. Test an ABO. So if you qualify for this and you're able to, you have ads that have a ton of content, ton of engagement, comments, it's getting sales or it's getting leads, then let Facebook go find it, right? So understand this, whenever we put interest in Facebook, we are limiting Facebook, right? They have the most advanced AI in the world that they could go find people for you, right? So a friend of mine taught me this. His name is Jim, and I didn't realize it. So this is why I'm going to pass on this information to you. It's just an open wide, right? You could do whatever you want. Just let Facebook find the customers for you. I have another account that's the same way, but let me show you another one. Let me see another account. And I'll show you this right here. So you see the difference, right? So that company spent a lot of money. Here's another one. So if I go to same thing, lookalike, and I select the pixel, it's only 27. Now this company spent, about 19,000 last year, and they're spending a lot more with me now, but it's still, the pixel hasn't got the right information. So we're using interest, lookalikes, things like that to get better results. But your pixel has to have all that data on it. It already knows who to go after. So I hope this helps. If it makes sense, that's great. If it doesn't, you can always comment and I'll definitely reach out. But this is open wide, okay? Open wide testing. All right, guys, take care.